How's it going, guys? I just have a quick video today talking about a product release that is going to be coming up, but I wanted you guys to be able to get in on a special release we're doing here. I'm creating a group buy for a couple of transmission mounts. So if you don't know how the transmission mount works, you have this bracket right here that attaches to the transmission tunnel, and then this piece right here typically has big barbells kind of looking things on either side that attaches to this guy through these two holes right here, and then this transmission mount attaches to the transmission. This is an aftermarket polyurethane one that I had made. That's the newest version of it. But regardless, the reason that I'm doing this group buy is to make this piece right here that everything bolts to out of a CNC'd aluminum block. It's going to be significantly lighter than the factory piece, because this is, has massive barbells on it, as well as just being steel, and this piece is going to be aluminum, as well as these are slotted. You guys can see the slot right there. That allows a little bit of forward and backwards movement, which is specifically helpful if you're putting a 30A in a 30A transmission in a 84 through 86Z, because technically those bolt holes don't perfectly align for that. If you've watched my transmission swap video, you'll know that I did the same thing. I had to slot my old mount, and it just wasn't great. So I am doing a group buy for these made out of aluminum. You guys can find it right now on the zgarage.net. It's $15 to buy in. It's looking like the price is probably going to be about $150 for the whole kit. That is this upper mount, and then the side mounts, and all the associated hardware that you need with this. This whole thing will bolt perfectly into here and then bolt to the transmission. Should fit on any transmission for a Z31, and it should be a really, really good time. So, like I said, guys, this is a short video. This is coming up. I just wanted to let you know that you can get in on the group buy for these aluminum mounts here right now. This is only going to be active for about a week, and then I'm going to go ahead and start doing the actual orders themselves. So, if you guys are interested in it, definitely check that link out below. And probably, if you're going to want one at any point in the next year or so, you might want to pick one up, because this is a little bit too expensive to actually do on an individual basis. So group buys are probably going to be the only time that you can get one. So just think about that if you want one. And then if you're questioning about these actual polyurethane mounts themselves, the circular guys that go in here and the upper mount here, I will be making those separately, so those will be coming up here in the future. This is just specifically for this aluminum piece and the full kit to buy all at once. So appreciate it, guys. I hope to see you in the group buy, and I'll see you guys next week.